You Are Epic brings you Thoughtful Thursdays. You Are Epic is a platform for people who are interested in growing and transforming with the changing times. Thoughtful Thursdays is a gentle reminder that we all have within us the desire and the potential to thrive, regardless of the circumstances. In these times, when the pandemic has created so much fear and uncertainty, do you often find yourself feeling scared and vulnerable? Do you often find yourself feeling anxious about how to survive, let alone thrive in these uncertain times? Hello, I'm Renu Kohli, your transformational coach, bringing you this episode of Thoughtful Thursdays. I'm here to tell you that you have with you a very powerful instrument, and simply by tweaking it a little bit, you can train it for a beautiful, thriving life. This powerful instrument is your mind. And I'm going to show you that with some simple changes in how you let your mind work, you can change the course of your life. Begin by standing guard at the door of your mind. What you are letting in your mind? Who are you most spending your time with? What are you reading? Who you are talking to most of the time? What kind of conversations do you have? If you observe yourself for a few days, you will become aware of the level at which your mind is working. Are your thoughts happy, progressive, and create momentum for you to grow? Are you feeding your mind with something that helps you grow? Realize that only when you grow, you become truly happy. Researchers suggest that at least 30 minutes should be spent in reading every day. And no, reading the WhatsApp and the Facebook posts don't count. Daily reading practice will introduce you to some great ideas. And great ideas are never going to jump at you. They have to be pursued. Because if you don't pursue them, you are going to get whatever ideas are thrown around, mostly fear and uncertainty. If you want things to change, you have got to change. If you want things to get better, you have to get better. And you have to do this deliberately and consciously. Someone has said, if you let your learning lead to knowledge, you become a fool. But if you let your learning lead to action, that is when your life changes. So be prepared to put in massive action to transform yourself. Observe the successful people around you. If someone is successful, it's not because they are lucky. It's because they are doing something different from you. Figure that out. Find out what they are doing or what they are reading. Poor people don't read. Poor does not mean financially poor. In this case, poor people means people who are unhappy, frustrated, and those who have no sense of meaning in their life. Being wealthy is not just about having a lot of money. It is also being mentally, emotionally, and spiritually wealthy. When you have consciously created the momentum for growth and transformation, stay consistent. Repetition is the mother of mastery. Every day, feed and strengthen your mind and your body. Pandemic has shown us that we let fear rule our mind. Anger and rage immobilize us. Getting active for at least 5 days a week, first thing in the morning, will help to develop a daily discipline with proper blood flow to every part of the body. Train yourself physically beyond your comfort limits. It helps you to develop determination and a sense of will. Give more than you expect to receive. The more you give, the more you will receive. Understand, life is not just about me, it's about we. So connect with people. People you love, people you interact with, and even strangers. Do things not to show off, but to evolve on the soul level. Only when you help others grow and transform that you can truly thrive. If you want to learn about the ways to transform and grow in your life, you can reach out to me, Renu Kohli, your transformational coach, on our Instagram page, You Are Epic 11. Like and share this video, and be sure to leave your feedback in the comment box below. Till we meet again next Thursday, remember always, you are epic.